Struggling to get dinner on the table without turning your kitchen into a hot, cluttered mess? If you're tired of the constant balancing act between multiple appliances or waiting forever for a conventional oven to preheat, the Instant Pot 10-quart air fryer oven is the ultimate all-in-one upgrade that is genuinely going to change how you cook. This isn't just an air fryer. It's a high-capacity 7-in-1 kitchen powerhouse that brings professional versatility to your countertop. What makes this unit a total game-changer is the sheer range of what it can do. With one sleek appliance, you can air fry, broil, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and even tackle rotisserie chicken that comes out restaurant quality every time. It's equipped with instant signature EvenCrisp Technology, which circulates super hot air from the top down to give you that perfect golden brown crunch using up to 95% less oil than deep frying. You get all the crispy, tender textures you love, but with a lot less fat and absolutely none of the greasy mess. The convenience factor is massive, especially for busy households. With its generous 10-quart capacity, you can easily cook for the whole family, prep sides, or handle large batches of meal prep all in one go. You can even use the included dual trays to cook different things simultaneously, and the large front window lets you sneak a peek at your food without opening the door and losing all that precious heat. Plus, with over 100 recipes available in the Instant Pot app, you will never run out of inspiration, from quick weeknight dinners to impressive weekend roasts. It's also incredibly easy to live with. It features a modern, easy-to-read touchscreen and all the included accessories, like the rotisserie spit, forks, and cooking trays, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a total breeze. Whether you are a beginner looking to simplify your meals or a pro who wants a reliable, multifunctional tool for your kitchen, this machine is designed to deliver consistent, delicious results in half the time of a traditional oven. If you are ready to reclaim your counter space and master your family meals with ease, you can find the best price for the Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer by clicking the link below.